Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 11.3. Question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from the sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? In this question, a closed cylindrical tank's radius is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. You find out the total surface area of a closed cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. By using this formula, you get the total surface area of the closed cylinder, and that is equal to the required sheet of metal. Okay, in this question you write down radius 7 meter, height 3 meter. These are given in this question. Radius is equal to 7 meter and height is equal to 3 meter. You find out total surface area, total surface area of a closed cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. You get 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 in the bracket 7 plus 3. Cables cancel here. You get 2 into 22, that is 44 into 10, that is 440 meter square. It is the required sheet of metal. Required sheet of metal is equal to 440 meter square. It is your question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeters square. It is cut along its height and form a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. In this question, first of all, you divide the area by width. You get the length of the rectangular sheet. Then you find out the perimeter of rectangular sheet by using formula 2 into bracket L plus B. Then you write down area of a lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is equal to 4224 centimeter square. Okay, then width is equal to width of a rectangular sheet formed after cutting is equal to 33 centimeter. Length of the rectangular sheet is equal to area upon breadth. 4224 upon 33. You can do it by 11. 11 threes are 11. 3s are 33. 9. 11. 8 is 88. 4. 11 4 are 44. Then you calculate by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6. 3 8 ja 24. Means 128 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into in the bracket L plus B. 2 into L 128 plus B 33. You get 2 into 8 3 11 1 1 3 4 2 6 and 1 161. You multiply it. 2 1 2 2 6 12 2 2 1 2 and 1 3 322 centimeter. It is your answer. Question number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. In this question, to find a level area of level road, you find out, first of all you find out the curved surface area or lateral surface area of road roller, then you multiply that area by 750, you get the answer. In this question, given here diameter of road roller, diameter of the road roller is equal to 84 centimeter. Then radius of the road roller is equal to 84 upon 2, that is 42 centimeter. When you convert this into meter, you divide it by 100, you get 0.42 meter. Then length of height. Length is also equal to height of the road roller is equal to 1 meter. Then you find out curved surface area of the road roller is equal to 2 pi RH, means 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.42 into 1. 42 is cancelled by 7, you get 0.06. 7 is 42. When you multiply this, you get 44 into 0.06. You multiply 6 for the 24, 6 for the 24 and 2, 26, and you put decimal after 2 digit, you get 2.64 meter square. Then you find the leveled area of the road is equal to 2.64 into 750. When you multiply 2.64 into 750, you get 0.005 for the 20, 0.25 6 30, and 232. 2 3 is carried here, 5 to the 10 and 3 13, 7 for the 28, 2 7 6 are 42 and 2 44, 4 carried, 7 to the 14 and 4 18. You add this 0 0 8 to 10 0 1 3 4 4 8 8 1 9 and 1, and you put the decimal after 2 digit, you get 1980. 1980 meter square. It is your answer. Question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in figure. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, what is the area of the label? In this question, company's milk package is in a cylindrical shape, which height is 20 centimeter, diameter is 14 centimeter, and label is placed from top and bottom 2 centimeter, means between the container. Okay, find the area of the label. Label is placed from the top 2 centimeter and from the bottom of 2 centimeter. Between these two, label is placed here. Means you left 2 centimeter from the top and 2 centimeter from the bottom. Then you get the height of the label, and that is cylindrical shape. This means you find out the area of the label by the using formula 2 pi RH. Then you write down diameter of the label is equal to 40 centimeter. Radius of the label is equal to 14 upon 2 7 centimeter. Height of the label is equal to 20 minus 2 into 2. 2 is left here and 2 is left here. This means you subtract 2 into 2 from means 2 plus 2 from 20 centimeter. You get 20 minus 4, that is 16 centimeter. Area of the level is equal to 2 pi RH, means 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 16. 7 is cancelled here. You get 44 into 16. 16 for the 64. 6. 16 for the 64 and 6. 70. 704 centimeter square. It is your answer.